Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento Marketplace eBay integration plugin. Now this particular plugin allows the sellers to import eBay products from their eBay Marketplace store to their Webkul Marketplace store. The sellers can easily assign the products that are left unassigned during the import to any of the categories on their own. The Webkul Marketplace admin and the sellers both can synchronize products from the eBay store to their Marketplace store. Kindly note that this particular plugin supports real-time inventory synchronization. Apart from that, the admin will be able to map the store categories with the eBay categories. So all in all, what this particular plugin allows the admin and the marketplace sellers to do is that they'll be able to import their products from the eBay store into their marketplace web store, and they can export their products from the Magento 2 marketplace web store to their eBay marketplace there. They can also import their orders as well from the eBay marketplace into their Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace as well. So in today's video tutorial, what I'll be doing is I'll be taking you through the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin and the rest of the options that the admin gets and the marketplace sellers get under their own account panel there. But before we proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel first, and now after the successful installation of this particular plugin, the admin will get the eBay Connect option under the marketplace management. Also kindly note that this particular plugin is an add-on to the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace by Webkul. So you'll have to have that first, and then you can make use of the Magento 2 marketplace eBay connector plugin itself. Now under the marketplace management, we have eBay Connect. Under eBay Connect, we have the eBay account, map categories, listing templates, and configuration. So we'll go to the configuration section first, and we'll see the different configurations or the initial configurations there that are required for this particular plugin. Now under the Webkul block, we have the marketplace eBay connector, and under that we have the general settings, platform event notifications, and import eBay categories option. Now I'll be just taking you through the different options that we have, and I'll not be going in deep. I will not be diving deep there for each of the options there. So under the general settings, we have the global site. Here you have to choose the global site where your eBay marketplace is there. Then you have to set up your eBay user ID, the eBay authentication token, eBay developer token, eBay app ID, certification ID. Now to how to get these things, you can check the user guide that I have attached within the description of this particular video, and within that you can check how to get these different tokens there. Then you have to choose the production or the sandbox mode for the mode option there. Sandbox is the testing mode, production is the live mode, so accordingly you can choose between the sandbox or the production mode as required. Then what you need to do is, after you have set this up, actually what happens is that when you have completed the platform event settings and you have imported the eBay categories, then you have to tap on the save configuration button, and the app root name automatically comes up or is automatically set up there. Okay, now after you've done with the general settings, then you have to go for the platform event notification, and here you have to subscribe to the eBay events. For example, item sold, item create, item revise, item closed, fixed price transaction. Now item sold means product will be disabled on store or within the Magento 2 marketplace store if it has been sold out at the eBay store. Item create, eBay new product auto import in store. So if eBay new product is being created at eBay, then the product would be auto imported into the Magento 2 marketplace web store. Same goes for the item revise, product auto update on store. Item close, product will be disabled on store. Fixed price transaction, then the product inventory update or the order creation would be done there. Then we have the option to image auto import, and on eBay item listing, product image auto import would be done there if you have chosen this particular option as a yes. Then we have the sold item action. So here the opted option will be performed at the Magento 2 marketplace and whenever an item is sold at the eBay there. And lastly, we have the import eBay categories option. So here what you need to do is you need to tap on the import eBay categories button, and this would fetch the complete list of categories there from the eBay there. So it will just take a few seconds there for importing the categories. So you can see that total 1172 eBay categories have been imported successfully, and thereafter you need to tap here on the save configuration button to save the configuration settings. So this was the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin there. Now coming back to the marketplace management there, here we have the eBay account, map categories, and the listing templates there. Now under the eBay account, let me take you to the eBay account there. So I'll just be giving you a brief overview of the options that we get. So here the admin would be able to see the complete list of accounts that the marketplace vendors have added for their eBay accounts there, and the admin can also add his own eBay account by tapping here on the add eBay account button, and this would bring up the eBay account section, as you can see, to connect with the eBay account. So here you need to set up the store name, and here you have to set the unique store name for your account. Choose the seller, whether you are doing it for yourself or for the marketplace vendors. The attribute set ID that would be applicable, the global site for the eBay, and the postal code. Then you have to authorize it. For example, if I just show you that, and if I'm entering these details here, then you have to authorize your account there, and this would bring up this pop-up wherein you have to log into your eBay account there. And after you have authorized yourself, you will be redirected back to this particular page here, and you will get some more options there. So I've already added an account there, so let me open that up and let me show you what different other options that the admin gets. So if I edit this particular account that I've edited here already, and if I edit it up, we'll be able to see the different options that the admin gets after saving the same. So it will just take a few moments there to come up. And in the meanwhile, let me show you the options here at the vendors end. So the vendors get the configuration, listing configuration, business policies, sync products, export products, assign product to category, and the order import option under the own account panel under the marketplace account block there. Now coming back to this particular section here in the admin backend, we have saved the details there, and after authorizing the particular eBay account there, we get the general configuration, listing configuration, business policy, map product, map order, and the export to eBay option. Now the very first option that we have here is the general configuration. So this is the eBay general configuration for the eBay products that would be imported into your Magento 2 marketplace web store. So here we have the revised eBay product. So you can choose this option as a yes or a no. The default category is to be chosen for the eBay products. The default store has to be chosen. You have to choose the import product, whether all products to be imported or only mapped category products to be imported. Whether you want to import the products with specifications or not. Whether you want to have the product description with HTML or not. Then for the orders that we are going to import from the eBay marketplace into your Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace, then you have to choose the order status for those orders. Then we have the eBay inventory source, whether the default one or not assigned one. Then coming to the listing configuration, this setting is for the products that are going to be exported from the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace into the eBay marketplace there. So here you can set the default product quantity, and this quantity would be used in case the quantity is 0 while the export from the Magento 2 marketplace into the eBay marketplace there. Then you can select the template as well, and this selected template will be used for the product description. Then you can choose the product type for the export from the Magento 2 marketplace into the eBay marketplace there. The listing duration there can be selected. The dispatch time can be chosen. You can set up the payment email address as well. You can set whether to set up the free shipping or not. If you set up the free shipping, then you can set up the shipping time minimum and the maximum time. You can define the return policy, return within, pay by, and the other information as well. Otherwise, if you're choosing it as no, then you have to choose the shipping service, then set up the shipping cost. If there's any additional shipping service cost, you can set that up. You can set the shipping service priority, shipping time, minimum, maximum time, and the rest of the days are the same there for this particular eBay listing configuration section. Coming to the business policy, here you can set up the business profile enabled on eBay by choosing a yes option. You can choose the eBay marketplace there. You can get the eBay auth key there, and then you'll have the payment policy, shipping policy, and the return policies there for your business policy. Coming to the map product section, here you'll be able to import the products from the eBay marketplace into your Magento 2 web store. And to do so, what you need to do is you need to first import the products from eBay by tapping here on the import products from eBay. Choose the end from date and end to date, and here you also have the option to import only the eBay products that are active, and each of the time ranges must be a value less than 120 days there, and then you have to tap here on the import product from eBay button. This would create the temporary products in your Magento 2 marketplace web store, and thereafter you need to tap on the run profiler to create those products within the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace web store there. And this would basically start the run profiler section there, and that would start importing the products as you can see right now. Then after that, if you want to import the product images, for that you need to tap on the import product images, and this would again run the profiler to import the product images there. Coming to the map order, here you'll find the complete list of orders that you have imported from the eBay marketplace store into your Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace store. To import the orders, you can tap here on the import order, choose the order from and the order to dates, and tap on the import order from the eBay there. And then you need to run the profiler to create those orders in your Magento 2 marketplace web store. Then export to eBay. From here you can select any of the products that you want to export to eBay by selecting them up and choosing the export to eBay and tapping on the submit button, and the particular products would be exported from the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace into your eBay marketplace there after you tapped on the submit button. So these are the options that you get after you have successfully connected your eBay account there. So that was about the eBay account. Now coming to the map categories. Under the map categories, the admin will be able to map the store categories with the eBay marketplace categories. And here you'll find a complete list of mappings that you've already done. You can delete any of the mappings as well. To do a new mapping, you have to tap here on the map new category button. Then choose the store category. Accordingly, choose the other categories there. If there are any subcategories, you can choose them as well. Then you have to choose the eBay category, the subcategory for that, and choose the Magento attribute set that would be applicable to the same, and then tap on the save button. And this would basically save the category mapping there. You can see that in a while from now that the category mapping would be saved there. And apart from mapping categories here, you'll also be able to delete the categories that you've mapped. So here you can see the category has been successfully mapped with the eBay category, performance fabrics, eBay category ID, eBay category name, condition attributes, variation, EAN status, UPC status as well is visible there. Now coming back to this section here, we have the listing templates. Under the listing templates, you will be able to create the templates that can be used for sending the description of the products from the Magento 2 marketplace web store while you're exporting the products from Magento 2 marketplace store into your eBay marketplace there. To create a template, you just need to tap here on the create template button, and this will bring up the new listing template section wherein you'll be able to set up the listing name, set up the description there for the product, and you can choose it as enabled or disabled as well. So the same options are available at the vendor's end as well. This is the vendor profile page, as you can see. So we'll just take you to that particular section in a while. So here you can set the title. Here you can set up the template content, set it as enable or disable. Then here you can map the product attribute with the template variables. For example, product name. So here you can set it as name. Then you can choose description. Here you can choose description, so on and so forth. And here you can choose to show and hide the editor there. And accordingly, you can set up the content that should be there within the editor there. So here you can add the text or the images as well for the template, and then you have to tap here on the save button. So that was the listing template and the rest of the options that we went through. Now coming to the vendors end. On the vendors end, the vendors will get the eBay Connect option under their own account block for the marketplace, as you can see, and under that they have the configuration section. Now here as well the vendors would similarly be able to connect their account as we have seen in the admins end. So here what you need to do is, here we have the eBay configuration details page, and here you can set up the eBay configuration by choosing the attribute set, choosing the eBay global site, setting up the postal code and tapping on the authenticate button, and then a pop-up will appear wherein you have to authenticate your details, and here you have to sign into your account. After you have signed into your account, you will be redirected back and you can see your eBay user ID thereafter. And then you have the eBay general settings for the products that would be imported from the eBay marketplace into your Magento 2 marketplace web store. So you can choose to revise the eBay products, choose a default category for the eBay products, choose whether to import the products with specifications or not, have the product description with HTML or not, the order status for the orders that would be imported from the eBay marketplace into your Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace there. After this was the configuration section. Then coming to the listing configuration, under the listing configuration, same, we are having the options here as well for the vendors. So here you can set up the default product quantity that would be applicable to the products there for the Magento 2 marketplace products that are being exported to the eBay marketplace. If their default quantity has not been set, then this entered value would be their default quantity. Then you have to select the product type for the export. Select the template. If any template has been created, and template can be selected from this particular section. You have to choose the listing duration there, dispatch time in days, your PayPal email address, whether you are providing the shipping free or not, yes or no. If no, then you have to set up the shipping service, its cost, the shipping additional service cost, shipping service priority, shipping time minimum and the maximum time. Then you have to select the defined return policy, whether returns accepted or returns not accepted, and return within 14, 30, 60 days, pay by buyer or the seller, and the other information there. Coming to the business policy, here as well you have to basically connect to the eBay marketplace there by getting the eBay authentication there, OAuth key there. So you have to choose whether to enable the business profile or not on eBay, choose the eBay marketplace, then accordingly you can choose the payment policy, shipping policy and the return policy there. Now coming to the sync product section, the same goes with the sync products. Here you find the complete list of products that are being imported. To import the products from the eBay, you have to tap here on the import products from eBay. Then you will be able to run the profiler and create the products within your Magento 2 marketplace web store. Then you'll be able to import the product images thereafter. If you want to delete the map records, you can tap here on the delete map records as well. Coming to the export product, from here you'll be able to export the products from the Magento 2 marketplace web store into your eBay marketplace by selecting a particular product and tapping on the export eBay and tapping on the OK button thereafter. Now lastly, we have two more options. One is the assigned product category. So if any of the products have not been assigned to any category, you can select them up, select the category where you want to assign them and tap on the assign product to category option there. And lastly, we have the order import, and from here you'll be able to import the orders from the eBay marketplace store into your Magento 2 marketplace web store by tapping on the import orders and then tapping on the create imported orders. So yes, that was much about the Magento 2 marketplace eBay connector integration plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the different options that we get at the admins end and at the vendors end. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uedes.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up and kindly do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end.